Hi, my name is Erin Howell, and I'm a physician assistant and part of the medical staff here at Greenville Shriners Hospital. We are looking forward to seeing you and your child at your upcoming virtual video visit. Before doing so, we would like to give you a couple of helpful tips and tricks to make your visit as easy and successful as possible. First, the privacy and safety of you and your child is of utmost importance to us. Give some consideration to the space that you're in, and you make sure that you're in a quiet and safe location where you feel comfortable having a conversation and you feel comfortable having your child examined. Try and find a space that is well lit so that we can see you and your child in as much detail as possible. Instead of a laptop computer, it is best to use a handheld device such as a phone or a tablet during the exam. We frequently will ask your child to move or walk during the portion of the exam, and it allows us to visualize certain body parts better. It is best to have your child dressed in a way that allows us to visualize the body part that we are examining. For example, if your child has a problem with their arm, please have them wear a shirt that allows us to see their arm in its entirety. If we are examining your child for a problem with their legs or watching them walk, you'll want your child to wear shorts. Finally, if we're examining your child's spine, it's a great idea for them to wear a loose-fitting t-shirt so that we can lift it up and examine their entire spine. For young ladies, a bathing suit or sports bra is a great idea. Give some consideration to the space. We may ask your child to walk back and forth for us. You want room for them to do that. As we ask them to walk away, face them directly so that we may see them fully as they move around. If you can, have someone available to help you during the video visit. We may ask them to hold the camera so that you may assist with certain maneuvers, such as moving the leg or foot, so that we can get a better understanding of what's going on with your child. Thank you for your attention to this message. We look forward to seeing you and your child soon. And as always, thank you for trusting the care of your child to Greenville Shriners Hospital.